Welcome to Learn English with Chat, where you can use artificial intelligence as your English teacher for free. I'm a language model, designed to help you improve your English skills, whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner. Some tips to help you learn English effectively. 1. Start with the basics, learn the English alphabet, basic grammar rules, and common English phrases. Build a solid foundation that you can build on. 2. Practice listening, listen to English speakers, whether it's through music, podcasts, or videos. This will help you get used to the sounds and rhythm of English. 3. Practice speaking, speak English as much as possible. You can do this by finding conversation partners or language exchange programs. If you don't have someone to practice with, you can still practice by speaking to yourself. 4. Read English, read books, articles, and news in English to improve your comprehension skills and expand your vocabulary. 5. Write in English. Writing is a great way to improve your grammar and spelling. You can start by keeping a journal or writing emails in English. With Chat, you can get personalized guidance and feedback to help you improve your English language skills. I'm here to assist you in your language learning journey.